Boom, 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 everybody. It's time for a round two on Huff and Triple Puff. They got it here at the Aliante now, my friend. So this is my first time playing it here. The first time we played it was at the Palms with the family picker. Let's try round two here, everybody. Let's see what happens. I'm kind of excited. I'm kind of excited about what my potentiality for today is, everyone. I had a $700 ticket from my last video. Oh, here we go. Let's see. Oh, three more would have been lovely. I could have had my hat featured. I could have been happy and celebrating myself and high-fiving you guys. So they can randomly pop, but if you get 6 total between the hats and those, oh my God. Oh, I thought I was randomly popping. The celebration was about to begin. Oh, yeah. Come on. Oh. Come on, everybody. Oh, Lord. I'll take one of those. 3 more? All right, peoples. 4 more. 2 more. 2 more. Daniel. I chastise myself for not getting 2 more, everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, did I ask you how you're doing? How are you, everyone? Are you thrilled about this moment? It looked like it was about to happen. You excited, everybody? Daniel's about to crush this. Round 2, Huff and Triple Puff. Sky is the limit. Grand jackpots are coming. Oh, I'm so excited, everybody. Prepare yourselves for Daniel's happiness. Oh, Lord. Electrocution almost happened. Oh, jackhammers, everybody. Let me ask you guys something. How many of you have watched the Fast and Furious franchise? The one where they drive around the fast cars. So the first movie was about fast cars and stealing stuff. Second movie was kind of like that, but by the 7th or 8th movie, everybody, they were in space. You understand? These people have become superheroes and we're in space. What I'm trying to tell you is the way it's looking, if it keeps going, the Huff and Puff pigs are going to be space cadets in about 3 more titles, everybody. We're going. 2 pennies ruined my life too. We're going to 5 cents. $6. But the way the franchise is going, first they were just a lumberjack. And a lazy kid and a corporate pig, and then the pigs became mafia members and beat up the wolf in Huff and We've Had Enough. Huff and Puff, We've Had Enough. And then now in Huff and Triple Puff, they are construction workers with Jackhammer. And you know what I'm saying? And 3 more games, everybody. They're going to be in space. That should give you a bonus guaranteed, everybody. They're going to be driving around in Ferraris, Maseratis, Lamborghinis, and they're going to be flying around in space, everybody. That's what's going to happen. Huff and Puff in space. Oh, Lord, I better trademark that before Light and Wonder takes it from me. Huff and Puff in space, everybody. Oh, my God. I'm ready for Huff and Puff in space. Oh, how did that not happen for Daniel? Everyone. Oh. 10 cents. $6. I'm not going to 12 yet. I got to control myself just now. 3 more? We haven't had 1 bonus yet. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, we haven't had 1 bonus yet, everybody. Whoa. What I really want right now, are you listening, everybody? 3 hats and then 1 of each of these. Oh, that's 4 hats with 1 of those, bro. You were close, though. See these 2, 3 hats plus the red jackhammer. I have a very specific request today. Please give it to me. Oh! Random bonus, everybody. He electrocuted himself. Oh, Lord. Here we go. He electrocuted himself. Let's go, baby. Give me 3 hats. I need 3 hats. There you go, Daniel. You just got 3 hats. I love 3 hats. Give me 3 more. I'd be happy. Give me hats. 3 more hats. Look at that. That's an extra spin. 3 more hats. Come on, baby. I need hats. Let's go, baby. What the hell, bro? Give me my hats. 1 more. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right, we got 2 cabins now. Let's turn them into mansions with 3 more hats, please. What the hell, bro? Give me 3 hats, I said, please. I'll take my mansion, but I would have loved to re-trigger. Please give me the time thing to give me an extra spin. I love it. 2 more mansions, everybody. And I heard inside the mansion feature, or inside the mansion, you could get a mansion feature. It says mansion with a coin or something. That's what Mom said, everybody. Hello, Wolfie. How you doing, Blue Eyes? Here we go, everybody. First, my straw houses. All right, here comes the big. Come on, mansion. Coin mansion. Not 1 coin, everybody. But look at this, $200. 2. Daniel made 200. I love money, so I made 200. Look at me, back to 5. I love this. Whew, fantastic. I had a hell of an opportunity just there. I did pretty good. I wanted a random pop. I got my first random pop. Give me my second one? Not yet. Oh, 3 more, bro, next time. All right, time to try $12. Wait a minute, am I too late? Not too late, $12, everybody. We're trying 12 right now. Let's see what happens at 12. $12 makes you holler. Oh, electrocution. All right, 405. We're switching again, people. We're switching again. Quarters. 60 quarters. $15. That's too much money, but I'll try it. 3 more? Oh, that should have... Come on. 4 more. Oh, look at that. Lumberjack pig with the $200 line here. 3 more. 2 more, everybody. I did this, everybody. 2 more, baby. Let's get hats. I need hats. Give me 3 hats. That's 2 hats again. Give me 3. I need 3. Oh Lord, 600 quarters. That's pretty good, everybody. All right, 3 more right now. Come on. 3 more hats. 3 more hats. 3 more hats. 2 more hats. Come on now. I didn't get 1 mansion. However, if I can get a coin right there, I might have a shot. Hello, Wolfie. How you doing, baby? I made 500 quarters. It's like $125, everybody, on top of what I had. All right. Ooh, look at the. I'm back to 800. I'm in Profitsville. I started with 7. 3 more. Oh, 4 more. 1 more. 1 more. You could just look at this. Look at this. The buzzsaw was right there, everybody. Huff and triple. Puff, puff, puff. Great song. Oh. Electrocute yourself. Oh, you silly pig. Electrocute it. Oh. You know? Oh. Jackhammer time. Oh my God, that tricked me. I wasn't even gonna look up. And then it started buzzing real loud. 3 more. That should have been it. You know, 3 and then 3 hats. He thought about it. He thought about it for a minute. Oh, I'm out of... Okay, we're going back. One more time, baby. 3 more? That was looking promising. 4 more, Daniel. 3 more. 2 more. Oh, this was close. I just needed 2 more. Do casino music copyright. All right. 4 more. 3 more. 1 more. This is how Daniel does it. Electrocute yourself. He's fist pumping. He's fist pumping still. All right. Let's go, Daniel. Do. Ta ta pa pa pa. Come on, baby. Yeah, baby. It's a lot of hats. It's a lot of. I didn't even ask for it. All right, let's get. Yeah, those things. Oh, you lose it when you get it behind the wall. You know, you got to get it below the wall, like I just did twice. Is that a re-trigger? You better believe it is. I'm a re-triggering champion, everybody. I'm a re-trigger champ. Champ. Look at me, I'm a champ. Making money. I'm gonna get a grand jackpot now. Mansion feature grand jackpot. I'm doing this. 3 more hats. Give me oh God, I forgot the name of that thing, everybody. Jackhammer. Hey, got it. Jackhammer. Come on, Jackhammer, please. I love you, Jack. Oh my God, many things happened at once, everybody. 2 mansions as well. 2 mansions, 2 jackhammers. Oh Lord, let's see what happens now. All right, we need more man. Oh Lord, there you go. 2. That jackhammer does nothing now. You know. Oh my God. Come on, 3 more. Oh Lord, I have a mansion sitting up there. Did I get? Oh my God, that's the best re-trigger you could ever ask for. I just opened myself another mansion and another mansion twice, and I made myself a mansion in the middle, everybody. That made the angel noise. Oh, please. I need more mansions now. 3, baby, 3. 2 more. I didn't get it, but I got a mansion. Oh, this is pretty fantastic right here. Huff and triple puff the return, everybody. Here we go. Shiny, happy, huff and puff. Oh my God. All right, straw houses, everybody. All right, relax. Cabins. Give a man a coin in a cabin. No coin in the cabin, people. We're at $130 so far. Give me the mansion feature. Coin, baby. Mansion feature. Minutes. 375. 187. 50. Oh my God. Daniel made $900. Daniel made $850. Oh, hell yeah. Look at this. Relax, people. Look at this. I doubled my 700. All right. 2 more. My God, it was a back-to-back happening. Everybody. So, I told you, Mom got it when she was by herself and wasn't filming or nothing, just by herself. And she got herself a mansion in the feature, in the bonus, and then a coin showed up and it said mansion on it, and then it gave her a mansion feature. She said, everybody, that's what we've been trying to go for ever since. 2 more. 1 more with the at least pop, bro. Oh, come on, climb. Damn pig. Everybody knows pigs can't climb, Daniel. Oh, 3 more. Holy, climb. Everybody knows pigs can't climb. Why are they even trying to? Oh. Electrocute yourself, kid. He thought about it, everybody. He's like, do I want to electrocute myself? Nah. Oh, 3 more. 2 more. That is, please pop them. Oh, preposterous, everybody. 2 more. There's so much preposterousness happening right now. Come on. Oh, 4 more. Nah, preposterousness continues. $6. 3 more. Oh, 5 more. Oh. 12.53, everybody. Oh, Lord, bomba. All right, we're switching to 12. Oh, wait a minute. I thought he was about to do it. Four more. All right, the switch is come. Oh. The switch has arrived. Oops, 5 cents. $9. $9. One. Oh, please. Damn, I thought my $9 worked. No, even that guy's not gonna do it. Okay. Electrocute yourself. Please, 5 more. Buzz. Oh, please. All right, come on, bro. Come on, bro. 3 hats and all the 3 symbols. Let's do it now. Daniel's ready now. Oh, Daniel's, please. Come on. Silly pigs, everybody. Silly pigs. Oh, I want to try $12. I don't know why. My heart says, Daniel, try 12. Oh, my God. 3 more. Oh, potato. I want to try it, everybody. Are you ready to watch me try it? That was scary. $12. 2 more. 2 more. That's not nice, man. Come on, climb. All right. All right. Oh. Oh, he electrocuted himself with the jackhammer, everybody. Oh, jackhammer electrocution. Oh, Lord. How are you? Let me see. Come on, everybody. Oh, my goodness. Oh, Lord, I got a jackhammer. I love jackhammers. I got jackhammers. Come on, baby. Look at this. Re-trigger jackhammer. I love this. I enjoyed this. Let's go, baby. Give me more. Jackhammer. Look at this, everybody. I'm a jackhammering king. Oh, Lord. Ooh, that's a great title for a video. The Jackhammer King. Oh, Lord, double DC, the Jackhammer King strikes again. Oh, my God, please. 3 more hats, jackhammers, everybody. Well, I got half of what I wanted. Give me 3 more hats. There you go, Daniel. Look at Daniel Jackhammer himself. 2 more? Yes. I wish the jackhammers were here so I could open up the entirety of my vault. Come on, jackhammer, 3 hats, please. I got that's not a reacher, but I got 2. Oh my God, I need 2 jackhammers, please. Oh no, please don't hide my only 2 mansions. Everybody, my life is terrible right now. I had 2 mansions, but they're hidden behind a wall. Oh, Lord, tear down the wall, bro. Oh, my God. All right. Oh. Here we go. That's a lot of pennies. Those are 5 pennies. All right, here comes the cabins. Can I get a mansion? Coin me, baby. Coin mansion. Minute, $50. I'll accept it. You know why? Because I have to. That's $350, by the way. Da-da-da-da-ba-da-ba-da. Daniel did this. But I am the Jackhammer King, everybody. Look at Daniel. He's at 1,400 now again. The Jackhammer King strikes again. Oh. Back to back. Bro, you could have made me. Come on, 3 more, 4 more. My God. 3 more, please. I even said please, everybody. You heard me. Oh. Electrocute yourself. All right. 1350. We are having a great time today with Huff and Puff and the Jackhammer King, everybody. The Jackhammer King, that's who I am. Come on, 3 more. Please. You just give it to me with 4. All right, people, we're going to dams. 12 at dams. Why not? Let's do it. Daniel's ready for this moment. 3 more. My God, the curse, everybody. Oh, 4 more. 3 more, 2 more. Come on. Electrocution. Whew, this is 3 more. Oh, this is exciting, people. This is exciting. Oh. I was beginning to get worried after a couple of the Huff and Puff stinkers, like Money Mansion and Huff and We've had enough. Oh, stinkers, everybody. But they've come through with this one. Back to their roots, back to their roots. Relax, people. You're out of control right now. 11. Oh, I'm at 1141. I'm having a great time. I'm not going. Oh my God. I thought he might give me some. 2 more. Oh, 1. At least provide a hat or something. Everybody, $15 at quarters. The Jackhammer King. I'm working out 3 more. Oh, I strike again, people. No jackhammer this time, though. 3 more hats. Give me hats. I need hats. 3 more hats, baby. That's only 1. 2. Oh my goodness, bro. Everybody, I got a bad feeling about this bonus. You see what's happening? Give me 3 hats, bro. 2 more. Oh, I got at least 1 cabin. Turn it into a mansion. 3 hats. Ooh, boy, do I have a bad feeling about this. All right, 100 quarters. Ladies and gentlemen, 500. Isn't that exactly what I won last time? 525 quarters? I feel like that's exact. Somebody rewind the tape, do the investigation for me. I believe I won 525 quarters in the very last. Oh, I got to give it 100 before I switch back to pennies, everybody. 4 more. That was a bit of a deja vu moment, everybody. There was a glitch in the matrix. I'm telling you, 525 quarters twice. Oh my God, that money went quick just now. Look at this. Look, I'm back to pennies already. $5. My jackhammer. 2 more. Oh, I almost did it. The electrocution. Oh yeah, 4 more. 3 more. What is this? What kind of game are you playing right now? What kind of game is it playing right now, everybody? The Jackhammer King ain't playing no games. Oh. The Jackhammer King strikes again. Come on, dude. $50. I'm switching to 2 pennies, everybody. I feel like that's where I'm going to jackhammer again. I'm going to go to 2 pennies and start jackhammering. Watch this. Oh. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. But no, baby. Unless, baby. No, baby. 4 more. 3 more. Oh. Preposterous. Last 2 spins, everybody. Oh. Electrocution. Oh my God, 4 more. There's so much. Oh, double Oh, $8. I ain't playing now. I ain't playing with you. Come on, 4 more. 2 more. Ooh, he did it. I electrocuted him. Oh my God. I love this electrocution. Hell yeah, people, he went the right direction. Oh my God, come on, yes. Oh, now I got a good feeling. Very different from the last bonus. I got a good feeling now. Come on, baby, 3 more hands. Oh, Lord, where's the buzzsaw? 2 more, yes. Go in that direction. Go in that direction. Go to the right. Go to the right. Go to the right. You went up, you went up. Does that mean that mansion flies? No, no. 1 more. Go to the left. Go to the left. Go to the left. To the left, to the left, to the left. That's another mansion. I told you this felt good. Give it 3 more. To the left, to the left. Give it to me. Yeah, baby, now to the right. Go to the right. Right, right. I'll take down. I'll take down. That's another mansion. Come on, baby. Hit me with another buzzsaw. 1 more. Oh, my God. Buzzsaw me. Buzzsaw me. I need a buzzsaw 1 more time. Hell yeah, people. That's going to turn into a cabin, and that's going to go right and turn that into a grand. No, it went down. I got 2 mansions. Oh, 2 mansions. Please, give me 3 more hats. 3 more hats. 2 more. Oh, this is, I told you I had a good feeling. Oh, look at Daniel be incredible and phenomenal and fantastic and beautiful. Hello, Wolfie. How you doing, baby pie? All right, here come the cabins, everybody. Give me a coin. Coin my cabin. I did not coin my cabin. Please, mansion feature. Mansion feature. Come on, mansion, mansion, coin, coin, mansion, coin, mansion. Oh, Lord, not 1 coin, everybody. It's pretty good, though. It's pretty good. That's almost $1,000. That's almost $1,000. $940, everybody. Look at my pigs. They're celebrating for myself. Oh, Lord. Look at this kid right here. Waving the money around. That guy's waving 1 money pile of money. That guy's throwing the money everywhere. Oh, Lord. People, $940. The party continues. All right, 6 more now. 5 more. Oh, do it again, kid. Back to back. Climb all the way. Oh, I should go to $10. Let's try 10. You know, $10 might be fantastic right now. Come on. 5 more. Oh, 4 more. I could have done. Electrocute yourself. Electrocute. Oh, I thought I jackhammered again, everybody. The Jackhammer King almost returned. Oh, that's what he does, you know. Just when you least expect it, the jackhammering begins again. Oh, Lord. How you doing, brother? Nice to see you. 1822, everybody. Oh, 5 more. Oh, my God. Electrocution. Oh. All right, 5 pennies. Wait a minute. All right, 5 cents, everybody. 5 cents. $12. You know, should we try 15? Let's try 15. Oh, my God. I've gone crazy. I've gone crazy. I went to 15, everybody. Oh, the Jackhammer King. 5 more would have been. Oh, Lord, everybody. The Jackhammer King. Oh, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Oh, I could have done it. Oh, my God. Do it now. Do it now with 2 of them. Oh, my potatoes, everybody. All right, we're going to dam. Oh, wait, I can do 1 more at 12 because I'm a gentleman and a scholar. Dams. 12. I thought about 18. Should I just do it? I'm doing 18. Hi. How are you? Hold on, everybody. Hold on. Everybody, I've returned. Said hi to a friend. I'm back, everybody. 5 more. Oh, my God. All right, here I am, 1,600. We got 1 final frontier to go. This is it. 60 quarters. We're going to get up with 1,500. Or infinity. Yes, that's right, everybody. International symbol for infinity. See how it climbs up? All right, calm down. Oh. All right. Oh, come on. Oh, my God. Do it. Climb up, kid, and make me happy, bro. Oh, look at this. I got so many corporate pigs. Oh, am I about to jackhammer 1 last time? Psst, come on. No, they did nothing. All right, people. I got 2 more spins after this one. Voodoo, karate chop, 4 more. I thought it worked. 1 last karate chop, people. Let me line it up. Boom. It did. Oh, final opportunity at a bonus. People, that's the end of the line. I love you all. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.